Here is our list of the top 5 best desktop computers you can get right now. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7i is a high-performance gaming desktop built for enthusiasts seeking power and expandability. It features a 12th Gen Intel Core i9-12900K processor with 16 cores and up to 5.2 GHz turbo boost, paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 GPU with 8 GB GDDR6 memory for smooth gaming. It includes 16 GB DDR5 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD for fast performance. The spacious 34-liter chassis supports excellent airflow with Legion cold front 4 cooling. Connectivity options include USB-C, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2. The tower's design includes transparent side panels and customizable ARGB lighting. Running Windows 11 Home, it offers a modern customizable gaming experience. The Apple Mac Mini M2 is a compact yet powerful desktop suited for a variety of users, from students to professionals. Powered by the M2 chip with an 8-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine, it delivers excellent performance for everyday tasks and demanding workloads like video editing and gaming. It features unified memory 8 GB expandable to 24 GB, fast SSD storage 256 GB to 2 TB, and extensive connectivity options, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI port, and Wi-Fi 6E. Running macOS Ventura, it offers seamless Apple ecosystem integration, energy efficiency, and a sleek design, making it an ideal choice for productivity and creativity. The Dell XPS 8960 desktop, powered by the 14th Gen Intel Core i7-14700 processor with 20 cores and a turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz, delivers strong performance for multitasking and everyday computing. It features integrated Intel UHD graphics 770, supporting shared system memory. The system offers up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and storage options starting at 512 GB NVMe SSD. Its 27.1-liter chassis ensures efficient airflow and quiet operation, with tool-less access for upgrades. Connectivity includes multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. Preloaded with Windows 11, it provides a seamless modern user experience. The Alienware Aurora R16 is a high-performance gaming desktop featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900F processor with 24 cores and a turbo boost up to 5.6 GHz. It is equipped with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 12 GB GDDR6X memory, delivering smooth gameplay and excellent visuals. With up to 64 GB DDR5 RAM and storage options reaching 4 TB SSD and 2 TB hard drive, it supports seamless multitasking. The Legend 3 design enhances airflow and reduces noise. It includes Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, multiple ports, runs Windows 11 Pro, and includes the revamped Alienware Command Center for performance monitoring and customization. Ideal for gaming and content creation, it offers top-tier performance. The Acer Aspire TC is a budget-friendly desktop ideal for everyday computing, work, and entertainment. It features a 10th Gen Intel Core i5-10400 processor, 12 GB DDR4 RAM, and a 512 GB NVMe SSD, ensuring smooth multitasking and fast performance. Integrated Intel UHD graphics 630 supports casual gaming and basic graphics tasks. It includes Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and multiple ports for connectivity. Running Windows 10 Home, it also offers a DVD writer and 5.1-channel surround sound support. Its compact expandable design makes it a solid choice for users seeking reliability and affordability without requiring major upgrades.